friends, I'm Shahida and welcome to our different, amazing and the very first show in English on Vastu, and that is Vastu, Harmony and You. Friends, Vastu not only a name, in fact Vastu is the science, and today again we are going to discuss about Vastu and its different aspect. Apart from this, we will also take your mails, of course with solution, and for this we have here in our studio world-renowned Vastu and Feng Shui expert, Dr. Rupa Batra. Welcome to our show, ma'am.
Hello.
Well, friends, I want to tell you that if you have any kind of problem regarding Vastu, you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra on these numbers. That is 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can also mail your queries on batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can visit our website also, that is www.globalvastu.com, and you can also join the page on Facebook, which is www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Here we received lots of mail regarding our earlier program, and we have received the first mail which is from Dubai, and she is Jaspreet Kaur. She wrote, respected Dr. Rupa Batra, I found your program very informative and I hope this is the very first program in English on Vastu, and also I have joined your Facebook page too. My question is for all, please explain the benefits of Vastu.
Thank you, Jaspreet. You liked the program so much. Once again, thank you to you. And in your question, you have not asked about yourself. You have asked for all, and which is a very nice thing and touching thing. And you have asked the benefits of Vastu, which is for all. So benefits of Vastu are, it enhances your health and vitality, promotes financial prosperity, improves relationships and dealings with other people, creates a stress-free and supporting environment, gives you inspiration and maximizes your effectiveness, provides refreshing good night sleep, creates harmonious and tranquil atmosphere in your home, promotes general fortune and well-being, and well, a healthy home is a happy home for its occupants and for earth also, and for the office, a healthy office or a commercial building is for profits, and it becomes a profitable place as you follow Vastu. So these are the benefits of Vastu, what you have asked. Thank you so much for the question.
The really important information, not for Jaspreet but for everyone.
For all the viewers.
Yeah,
Thank you,
exactly.
Jaspreet, once again.
Okay, Dr. Batra, let's move to our next mail, and which is from Ludhiana, and he is Ved Prakash. Whatever he wrote, and that is, does the magnetic field of the earth have everything to do with Vastu? I have shifted in a new apartment. The day I have shifted could not sleep as I used to, and I am very disturbed. Please help me out.
Well, Mr. Prakash, Mr. Ved Prakash, check the position of your head while sleeping. Again, I give you some of the tips which will help you out. One should never sleep head towards the north while lying, as it obstructs the circulatory system, causing irregular sleep, tension, paranoia and other mental problems. The magnetic field of the same poles repel each other, as you know. Otherwise, you know that the opposites attract each other. Therefore, a person should keep head towards the south for sound sleep. So you need to check again, I repeat, you need to check the head while sleeping. So as you change it, you will definitely find the difference.
I think Mr. Ved Prakash, you should follow all the instruction which is suggested by Dr. Batra, and you will get the, definitely you will get the positive result also. Again, I am reminding you, if you have any kind of problem regarding Vastu and Feng Shui, then you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra. Number are flashing right now on your TV screen. So, Dr. Batra, our next mail is, which is from Bangalore, and he is Arvind Kumar. He wrote, I have bought a plot from investment purpose and was going to construct the boundary wall. Does Vastu apply to boundary wall as well, and what precaution should I take while constructing it?
Mr. Arvind, you are talking about compound wall or boundary wall. Well, Vastu holds the conviction that the boundary walls are an effective way of containing the energy level and the magnetic field of the plot. So, what you need to, I am giving more tips, that for compound wall, start digging from northeast and start constructing from southwest. So, the wall should be thick and higher and heavier in the west and southern direction, and southwest also, and in north, northeast and east. The wall should be thick and higher and heavier in the western and the southern directions. In the north side, in the north and the east, are smaller, thinner and lighter than the south and west wall, which controls the compound wall's magnetic field.
Yeah, okay, Dr. Batra, let's move to our next question, and which is from Nepal, and she is Vibha. She wrote, the staircase in my house is damaged. I came to know that it is a Vastu defect. Is it true? If yes, the remedy for it? She needs some kind of remedy from you.
Well, Vibha, if the steps are damaged or broken, then the master of the home or house will face problems with his career, with his expenses, with his job or business. So, and it is very true that only remedy is to repair the stair says as soon as possible. So, there is no remedy, but the only one remedy is you need to repair the stairs as soon as possible to get rid of the get rid of all the problems.
I think Vibha, you should repair your staircase, and definitely you will get the positive response. Here we take a short break, but you don't go anywhere. Keep watching Vastu, Harmony and You.
Are you suffering from mental pressure, sleepless night, money problem, business losses, bothering debtors, losing respect, hindrance in marriage, disharmony in married life, family disputes, education and career worries, worries related to new house, chronic illness? Contact world-renowned Vastu, Feng Shui expert and Astro expert Dr. Rupa Batra, who has chain of satisfied clients in every field, from film stars, ministers, diplomats, corporate sector, businessmen to an ordinary man, not only in India but also in 18 other countries.
Dr. Rupa Batra, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. Our address, Global Vastu, E16/376, Sector 8, Rohini, Delhi 85. You can also contact us on these numbers 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can also mail us batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also join the Facebook, www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Clubs, association, schools, colleges, corporates can contact for free Vastu awareness workshop. You can contact on these number 9560-423-423, 9560-546-546. You can visit our website also, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also mail us on these IDs batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. Conditions apply.